Welcome. You are watching AN News. We bring you the most important stories from around the world and our country. Fast, reliable, and accurate. Stay informed, stay ahead.
Soda truck falls into sinkhole in Mexico City. A large truck carrying bottles of soda fell into a sinkhole in Mexico City. Authorities had cordoned off the site before the truck sank rear first further into the sinkhole. Initial reports suggested that a collapsed drainage system has caused the sinkhole, according to the mayor of Iztapalapa, Mexico City's most populous borough. Israel demolishes more high-rise towers as Gaza City offensive ramps up. Israel has destroyed more high-rise buildings in Gaza's largest city over the weekend, as it scales up its military offensive to occupy Gaza City. The Israeli military is ordering everyone in Gaza City to evacuate immediately to a unilaterally designated humanitarian area further south.